Hi everyone, I'm Aria, a craft maker and illustrator. Today I want to show you how I prepare and test new products for the fall and Halloween season. I will also be packing orders and redesigning my business card. I'm prepared to launch a new product at my print shop. Whenever I start producing a new product, I like to test it before putting it up for sale. Right now I'm creating the glass cups for the fall and Halloween season. I'm checking the size and the print quality, and I've noticed that the prints are coming out a bit too large, causing them overlay. This is a bit unexpected because I made the design based on the cup size, but it's likely due to differences in printers. Not all the printers produce the same result, which is normal. I do like their print quality, so I'm going to test it out further and adjust the design based on their printer. This is also my first time using UV transfer, and I'm a little bit nervous because I'm not super confident with matching and applying design by hand. For example, I've struggled with aligning lamination on a sticker sheet, and it took me a few tries to get it right. I think everyone faces something similar in life, where you know it might take a few attempts to get it just right, but you have to push through and keep trying until you succeed. Because the transfer sheet is a bit large, I had to cut it down and apply it to the cup. This one didn't turn out well at all. I was too worried that the transfer would mess up, so I kept peeling it off and replanning it, which was not a good idea. Luckily, the other 4 design cups turned out pretty good. These cups will be a part of bundle set that includes a coaster and the straw toppers. If you are interested, feel free to check out my print shop. Spending time with my pets is really important to me. I have a mixed anxiety and a depressive disorder, and my 3 furry partners help me get through tough time and bring light to my life. I always make sure to spend quality time with them. I recently redesigned my logo, so it's time to update my business card before packing orders. I'm currently using Keto for design since I've been using it for my print products. I've also used Adobe Illustrator for years in my professional work. Illustrator is excellent for professional typography and layout work, while Keto is fantastic for beginners and convenience, helping to speed up the workflow. I also like Keto's features, similar to Figma, which allow you to work in the browser and automatically save your files. Which platform do you prefer, or do you recommend another design tool? Let me know in the comments below. As the Halloween approach, I'm excited to see more people purchasing my punch needle kits. I'm happy my DIY kits are helping new buyers start their crafting journey. I originally designed these kits not only help beginners learn punch needle techniques, but also provide therapeutic benefit for those dealing with high stress or anxiety. It's also perfect for anyone interested in creating fun and unique home decor. If you are interested in other products, I've already listed some Halloween and fall themed products in my print and craft shop. Feel free to check them out. And I will continue to create and plan more art for the fall season and Christmas. If this interests you, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I also share shorts showcasing my art. Thank you so much for stopping by my videos, and I'll see you soon.